Here we've got Stanley S241, and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select language and input, and now go to the first tab, which is language. And now from this white list of languages here, you have to select the one that you would like to have your device in. So let me change it, for example, to French. Simply click on it, and that's it. As you can see now, your device is in French. Everything, as you can see, is changed to French. And then if you would like to go back to English or any other language, simply open language and input. So this is this icon, the word icon. Open it, then go to the first tab, which is for language, and select the language that you would like to have your device in. So I will simply go back to English, US, and that's it. As you can see, immediately after that, we are back in English. So that would be all. This is how you can quickly and easily change language in your Stanley S241. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.